Want to play cool Xbox games without buying them all? You're in the right place. Game sharing on Xbox lets you and a friend share digital games, and it's super easy once you know how. So if you're tired of missing out on awesome games with your friends, keep watching. So this video is going to show you how to game share on Xbox step by step so you can start playing more games today. Okay? So first you're going to sign in to your Xbox with your friend's account. This is important so that the Xbox knows who owns the games. Next, you're going to go to Settings, then General, then Personalization. All right? Now you're going to click My Home Xbox. Choose Make this My Home Xbox. This will let you play your friend's digital games on your own account. After that, your friend needs to do the same thing on their Xbox using your account. That's it. Now you both can download and play each other's games anytime, even at the same time. So you can also share Xbox Game Pass games this way. All right? So this is a great way to save money and try new games. So what are you waiting for? Hit the like button if this helped you. Leave a comment, subscribe. Ciao.